Welcome to where dreams meet design. This showroom isn't just a place to display cars. It's a temple of innovation, a celebration of decades of engineering breakthroughs. Every vehicle inside was born from a vision to push boundaries, to redefine luxury, and to challenge the meaning of speed, comfort, and sustainability. People often ask me, what makes a car company truly elite? I tell them, it's not just horsepower or branding. It's the ability to imagine what the world will need 10 years from now and start building it today. Step inside, and you're not just looking at machines, you're walking through the future. Every masterpiece begins with raw elements. Steel, aluminum, copper, lithium. Simple materials, yet in the right hands they form the backbone of automotive excellence. What most people don't realize is this: 60% of a car's soul is decided before a single part is assembled. The metals we choose, the finishes we select, the leather we stitch, these are deliberate decisions, not aesthetics. Lithium cells power the future. Carbon fiber reduces weight without compromising strength. And hand-stitched leather gives the interior a heartbeat of luxury. Behind every curve, every joint, and every smooth surface, there's chemistry, logistics, and cost. This table? It holds the invisible price of perfection. This is where silence speaks, where machines work with more discipline than any human workforce. Every robot here is calibrated to a tolerance of microns. It doesn't just put parts together, it executes a digital choreography of engineering intelligence. The idea is simple but powerful. Humans design the vision, machines perfect the execution. We can now assemble an entire electric powertrain with zero human error. Not because humans are flawed, but because robots don't get tired, distracted, or emotional. What you see here isn't manufacturing, it's precision art at scale. This engine is more than a machine. It's a legacy of innovation packed into steel and silicon. For the electric era, the heart of the vehicle is no longer noisy cylinders. It's silent torque, instant power, and intelligent regulation. Inside these casings lie cooling systems, performance algorithms, and energy efficiency that was unthinkable a decade ago. One module here controls power delivery, another balances load across the battery grid. You're not just looking at a motor, you're witnessing the evolution of motion itself. Take a look around. This isn't just a floor, it's a vision made real. Every model here was once a blueprint, a conversation, a risk. Some were doubted, many were redesigned, but all of them were built to challenge the norm. What you see is a harmony of software, physics, and imagination. Aerodynamics, AI sensors, battery optimization, it's all here, wrapped in curves and chrome. I don't sell cars, I sell what comes next. This floor is not about horsepower, it's about future power.